Introduction to Intermittent Fasting.
Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern that alternates periods of eating and fasting. For beginners, it's not about strict dieting, but simply having set hours for meals. This approach may help with weight management, energy levels, and metabolic health. Let's walk through a sample 7-day schedule designed for those just getting started.
Choosing the 16-8 method.
A common beginner-friendly fasting method is the 16-8 schedule. This means you fast for 16 hours each day, then enjoy all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., then fast overnight until noon the following day. Adjust the window to suit your lifestyle and preferences.
Sample weekly fasting timetable.
Here's a practical week-long plan. Monday to Sunday. Eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Fast. During your eating window, focus on balanced meals. If 16 hours feels tough at first, start with 12 or 14 hours, then gradually increase fasting time as you get comfortable.
What to eat and drink.
During your eating period, opt for whole nutrient-rich foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Drink plenty of water. Black coffee and herbal tea are allowed during fasting hours, but avoid sugary drinks. Stay mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues for best results.
Tips for a smooth start.
Begin with shorter fasts if needed and gradually increase as your body adapts. Schedule meals to fit your daily routine. Stay hydrated throughout the day and get enough sleep to support energy levels. If you have medical conditions or take medications, consult your healthcare provider before starting any fasting routine.
Summary and next steps.
Starting intermittent fasting is about finding a rhythm that works for you. A 16-8 schedule is a gentle introduction. Prioritize healthy foods, hydration, and consistency. Track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Remember, your well-being comes first. Move at your own pace and celebrate every step forward.